welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to again show you guys the on-ear. This is the tempered glass screen protector, which will block like 30% on either your left or the right hand side. As you can see, my wife cracked the screen again, and I can't believe it. There's a crack right here, or chip on the bottom here. Lucky it was not on the original screen. And I'm sure you can see the cracking line right here. So I will need to remove the whole thing again and then install this real quick. Lucky I still have the nail. I was about to clip my nails today, and tomorrow is the Lunar New Year, so you don't want to have a broken screen while you try to celebrate the New Year. So let's go ahead and try to take this out again. Well, since this is already cracked and chipped, it's kind of hard because it might break apart. Oh, there you go. So that's why I use my fingernail for everything. That's why every time you guys are wondering why do I have a disgusting nail or long nail, this is why. So I got the lip on this side. Wow, there you go. Nice and clean. Now I need to buff it out with the microfiber cleaning cloth. See the crack over here already? And then the upper part. So I need to wipe out any of the residue. So as you can see, there's a lint over there or dust. But I'm gonna wipe it clean again. I need to remove this cover. And I need to install this frame. It's for the easy installation. Let's see again. Let me wipe it clean again. See, if you move around too much, there's a lint again. So I'm gonna put it flat and zoom in for you guys to check it out. But I'm gonna use a lint remover or the dust remover sticker that came with it. It's called a dust absorber. So as you can see, when I open the package, there's another lint again. So I'm gonna use this sticker to take it out. You want to do the edges too. Try to turn off your screen. Gotta take out slowly. Then I'll crack it. So now we separate from the plastic plate. Just gonna line it up and then that's it. Push right from the middle. See that bubble? So you gotta squeeze it out. So yeah, those bubble, you gotta squeeze it out and you'll cure by itself, okay? See, no more bubble. So I just need to squeeze it harder. Well, that's the best I can do. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oops. Like always, peace.